Ever wanted to combine multiple small cells into one big cell in Excel? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Merge and Center feature along with all its options. Step 1. Select the cells. First, left-click on the cell you want to merge and drag across the other cells you want to combine. Step 2. Find the Merge options. Go to the Home tab and look for the Merge and Center button. It actually has 4 different options, and we'll explore each one. Option 1. Merge and Center. This will merge all selected cells and place the text right in the center. Option 2. Merge Across. This option merges cells horizontally across rows while keeping each row separate. You can also align the text left, right, or center using the alignment tools. Option 3. Merge Cells. This merges all selected cells into one big cell, both horizontally and vertically. Option 4. Unmerge Cells. Finally, if you want to go back, just select the Merge cell and click Unmerge Cells. Everything separates back into individual cells. And that's how you merge and unmerge cells in Excel. Super simple and very useful for formatting tables. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Excel tutorials.